Hello everyone, Paul Huber here for Nissan of Cool Springs. Thanks so much for dropping in to check out our video today. I would like to welcome all of our premium crossover shoppers today, and we hope that this video is helpful in the search for your next vehicle. Today we're looking at a pre-owned 2017 Nissan Murano Platinum Edition. It's a one-owner vehicle with a clean Carfax. It's in like new condition and has just 9,400 miles on it. Now, as you see, it's very nicely equipped with those chrome wheels, front fog lamps, and just look at this gorgeous black leather interior with heated and cooled front bucket seats and plenty of room for three in the back, and the second row seats are heated as well. As we look up front, we see that this vehicle has a great selection of electronics and convenience and safety items, beginning with a Bose premium audio system that features SiriusXM radio along with Bluetooth for use with your cell phone. Other features include push-button start as well as remote start. Now, we're going to talk about that GPS navigation and backup camera featuring the Around View monitor system, plus it has so much more. Give us a call today at 615-224-8314 today, and we'll set up a time for your test drive. We look forward to seeing you here at Nissan of Cool Springs. And remember, we are the home of the lifetime warranty. And as always, don't forget to tell them that Hubie sent you.